Hello and welcome back to Coastal Crafts. I've got a bit of a haul here. I think these are all bits that I either ordered before Christmas or that came a bit before Christmas, but it is after Christmas now. First of all, I'm going to do these little bits I got from Aliexpress. So I ordered various sets of beads and charms. So I've got these ones, which I just think are so cute with these little hearts on. They kind of look like children's beads, don't they? The ones they make the little bracelets from, but I think they're really sweet. I've just been playing around, making just random little charms for me to stick on things like journals and Happy Mail and stuff. And I also got these ones that are just lots and lots, and you get absolutely loads in there. I can't remember how much it cost, but they weren't very much, so I never spend very much on these things. They're just pairs of wings. Put them back in there. And there must have been a good, what's that say? Quantity 50, yeah, a good 50 in there, which is absolutely loads. And that was my main reason, is I wanted to make these little, I guess, little angels. They're little dresses. So that's what I've been playing around with those bits from Aliexpress. Also from Aliexpress, you know how I love Alice in Wonderland, and I'd totally forgotten that I'd ordered these, so who knows when I ordered them, but they are a bunch of Alice in Wonderland stickers. So I think another Alice in Wonderland swap will have to be coming soon, my crafty friends. And they're really cute. They're like vintage ones, so I do really like those. And I keep saying it, now they're going to make an Alice in Wonderland album that I'm sure will happen, you know, sometime before the decade ends. The next decade, not this one. So sometime before 2030, that might actually happen. So that's things I got from Aliexpress. If you want any links, let me know and I'll stick them in the description box. That seems to be the best way of doing it. So I also placed an order with Clearly Besotted, because I hadn't ordered from them in ages, and I do like to pop on and see, oh hello, it's all falling on the floor, what they have in their clearance section. As I'm always selling them off at such a good price. I love their stamps, they're really good quality, they send them out really cheap postage in these cute pink bags, and they tend to come very quickly. Pick that up. So I got this set of stamps, which is really cute. So I've already got this one with the raspberries and the strawberries. So when I saw this one was half price with the pears and the apples, and the dies were down to, so half price makes them down to about £5, and the dies were down to £5 or £6 as well. So it just made it worthwhile getting, and they are really cute. So I was working on some birthday cards. Not sure what I think, whether I made them, whether they're a bit too plain. Maybe they would work for like men's cards. I'm not sure. But yeah, they cut them out with that nice white border. I just think they're really cute. I like fruit and things like that. To go along with that one, on those cards, you can see the backgrounds are stamped out. I was just having a bit of a go at different kind of backgrounds, and that's using this stamp set. So that one's called Apple and Pears, I think, and this one's called Basic Grids. So this was half price as well, so it would have been down to about £5, and they're just different backgrounds. They're all nice photopolymer stamps. They stamp out nicely. Just something a bit interesting to have a go at. And the last one that I picked up is this, I don't know what's going on outside. I think it's called Feeling Frightful, but I didn't stick the label on. But I've been wanting this one for absolutely ages, probably a couple of years, and never got round to ordering it. But it was in sale for £2.50 this time. They didn't have the dies in the sale, unfortunately. But it's quite simple to cut out, but it's just really cute. And I know it's Halloween one, and it's not Halloween, but because it was there and I've been wanting it for a while, I did get it, and I have made a card already. I just love these jars of different things, and with this you can get other ones, like other jar fillers they brought out as well. There was like a Christmas one, and I think there was something else as well, so I might look into getting those as well. I just think it's cute. So that's what I picked up from Clearly Besotted. That's what I picked up from Aliexpress, and that is my very short little haul. I've got some magazines that I have that's been coming to me from my subscription. I will probably do that in a separate haul. and I shall see you very soon. So before I upload this video, I wanted to add in that these pens came today. So I think I only ordered them quite possibly yesterday or just before that. So I've got into Tri-Blend pens, and you're probably thinking, but don't you have those Spectrum Noir pens? Which I do, and obviously these are the same. It's just that they just make life really easy for colouring, because they give you the light, the dark, the medium and the dark. And so I can't remember if I showed you that I had a variety of different colours, but there were specific colours that I wanted. And this is where I just have a quick check that I haven't duplicated, which is something that happens quite often. No, this looks good. So the specific colours that I wanted, like the Ice Grey blend, because I've got the Ice Grey Spectrum Noir markers in just the ordinary markers, but they are running out of ink. And I thought that I'd ordered this one, and it turned out I'd ordered the darker Ice Grey shade and ended up with 2 of them. Yeah, so I ended up with 2 of the same ones. This is the Ice Grey, and then this one is the Ice Blend, I believe, which is the lighter colours, if you're interested. But anyway, we'll have a quick look at these pens. So you get IG2, IG4 and IG5, so nice light greys, which is always useful. So if I've got some cards floating about, I can just show you. And we've got the dark, got the mid, and we've got a nice light one. So that will be good for colouring in grey things, obviously. So that's that one. And the other one that I wanted, which I know I've picked up various individual ones. So I've got TN1, and I've still got TN4, and I've still got TN2. But I wanted them in the Tri-Blend one randomly. So I've got the darker tan, and now I've got the lighter tan in the Tri-Blend. And yes, I have so many pens now that I've had to order another pen holder thing. So that should be coming in. So that's the darker one. Yeah, that should be coming in on Monday so that I can sort out my pens. And it is actually my birthday tomorrow, in case you're wondering. Like, as to treating myself to things. There won't be much treating next year, hopefully. So yeah, I like those colours. Obviously, you can blend them far better. So those 2. So yeah, it is my birthday tomorrow, and we are off to by tomorrow. It might not be tomorrow when you're watching this, but tomorrow as in Sunday of the Christmas week, and we are off to a hotel tonight, which I booked it myself. Last minute deal. This is the gold yellow blend, which is always useful. It's quite browny, actually. That one's more browny than I thought it was going to be. Oh, hello. No matter. That's a nice yellow. So I've got the citrus ones. So I wanted the more golden yellows. And yes, I think I also have quite a few of those in the original pens, but I kind of like to have them in the, just for really quick colouring. In this. Yes, we're going to have to own a hotel only like half an hour from where we live. And we're only going for the night. So it should be really nice, because we're going to go and use the pool there and everything, and have a nice little meal somewhere. But just a little last minute thing. And that's that greens. It's always useful to have a variety of greens. So that's colours that I picked up. So quite natural colours. These were from this website. I actually got them on eBay from this store off eBay. And the reason I got them from here, shows you the other things that they get, is because firstly they were on 4 for 3. So I paid for 3 of them and I got 4. That's how that works. What were they? $4.40 each. So you got $4.40. Yeah, I can't. I'm not saying that was the cheapest place to necessarily get them. Reason why I got them there was, well, the other ones, other sites, I was finding it really hard to work out exactly which colours I was getting, because I wanted specific colours. On the eBay site, I could actually see which numbers I was getting, and that's why I went to buy it there. But anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I shall speak to you soon. Bye.